The Bazooka BTA8100 Amplified Subwoofer delivers surprisingly deep, clean bass from a compact 8-inch tube that fits easily in tight spaces like small trunks and behind truck seats. Its built-in 100-watt amplifier and dedicated low-pass filtering are carefully matched to the driver, so the bass sounds tight and controlled rather than boomy. The patented cylindrical enclosure is designed to work with your vehicle's corners, using the cabin itself to reinforce low frequencies for more impact than many box-style subs of similar size. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included wiring harness and mounting straps, and the tube can be removed quickly when you need extra cargo room. Because it integrates with factory stereos without cutting or major modifications, this subwoofer is especially appealing for leased vehicles or anyone who wants an easy, reversible upgrade. Overall, the BTA8100 offers an excellent balance of strong bass output, efficient design, and user-friendly installation that makes it a smart choice for everyday drivers who want better sound without rebuilding their entire system.